There is one goal in your life that if you actually hit that one goal, it will change everything for you. So I want you guys to leave with an understanding, a deeper understanding of the truth of who you are. This is my vision, this is my affirmation, this is who I need to become.
Be the person. The live events are back and you're invited.
This is your chance to kickstart the energy in your life. Get into alignment with the person you need to become to see the results that you want in your life.